What? You did on? I want somebody in here. Cool off, man. Cool off. But the phone shit. Yes. All my viewers, all my link don't know I try star just how we. Hey, no, real talk no. You know say Baba, alright. You know say over here Selena, yes. Yo, me miss me Jamaica no man. The Baba the nah go and go. Wait, I wonder if I'm it's lean. No man, you see what he has gone? No dog, no, cool off. No man, I'm just the phone I show. Outside. Alright, well, go to preview how I go on outside look right now. Kind of snow, it's not cool long still, but everybody does freeze out there. So outside, the snow people them come shovel some of the snow, see them shovel all the way around the back we run this way. We run on one part, then we run this way. Every car down this way. We don't even know how much this span the vlog, you know, because we don't even keep check. You see me I say? But, you know, day I go and ease myself and myself, boy, you know, wake up and I love to roll out in the day, yeah? We are go up on the road today, you know what I mean? All the way, we are go up on the road today, we are do the road today. You know, we not too much house thing, you know what I mean? House thing done, you know, man. The road we are doing, man. Good God, man. We didn't have the house, I do. When we have work. So, what are we are roll out? You know what I mean? And in the meanwhile, when you know, if you know, see no more vlogger come in and all them things, yeah, because I probably put a vlog every week, you know what I mean? You can check out my other YouTube channel. We have some little comedy skits, you know what I mean? Some little comedy skits so you can get a little smile and laugh and in name Starz TV. Starz with the Z at the end of the Starz TV. Check out that, subscribe to that channel there also. You can go and watch some little skits where put in a whole for work also, you know what I mean? And you know, we do it like Nike. So I get myself, you know, line up myself, get ready and now to roll out of the place, you know, and don't know we're up on the road, you know, you see me? Soon tune back in. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I know I go downstairs to check my mail, anything forward. You know the mail for me, you know what I mean? Yes, me. Check the mail and thing. You don't know me, I walk outside the marina and slippers, you know. Right now, anybody see me, I go say, no man, where the madman they come. You see me, I say, sometimes you know you have to overdo it, you see me? You have to go on like you're used to the thing. And when you're not used to it, you have to go on like say, you're used to the thing now, you see me? Alright. Even though you're going to get used to it, you have to go on like, you're not cold enough, so you have to step out like everything good, you see me? What? What's that? Brother? Let me check my mail and see what I got feet. Alright, see there? Me done, me get mail dog, me get mail. You see me and say, you don't know. The other thing from Amazon, only hope I eat that. Is it? So then send now a little key thing and then you know people are passing look for me. Hey, out there cold, you know? I'm not joke cold when I talk about it, you know. The key at the ground, go on to that key. Put it, what in there? Alright. Yo, cold, God no. Yo, brave out, we're taking it. Bad, isn't it? Bad, Gaza, bad. So I'm reach back in, don't know I get my meal, so 15%, buy one, get one 50% off. What does it matter? No, I can't Burger King. No, I don't think so. No, no man. What the so what do? If I buy that food, then I get 50% off. Irving Big Stop, breakfast savings, boom, but so I go on for that. One of my boxes. Alright, see there? See my name there? Alright. On review, basically, my order. Oh, them thing I finish it. See it now, so I'm not happy. Man, this is the handle. What's going on? See what's going on? Alright, let's go inside. What is it? Okay, alright. So, come with a manual, show you how the phone operates and how this thing operates. I guess it's a charger. Okay. For the actual battery charger. Okay. First let me see with them size battery here. Sweet, can go up on a tripod. Yeah, I ordered this through Amazon. Basically, $146. But you don't know, you have to try, you have to put in the extra work if you want to get your work for done, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm going to buy it. So yeah, this is it. Basically, receive a package. So I'm going to charge the battery, and then let you guys see how it's like on the stand. Mad. Soon tune back in. Yeah, me in a vehicle right now, left out. Basically, on my way I go work. Piece of the camera ready. And you know, safety first. So it's another day again on the road as a trucker. You know what I mean? This is what it's like, you know what I mean? Try Starz in the streets. Yes it. Some love make up nice now. I when I'm here alone. I don't have to see people who make nice. Just make nice. Yes, so right now listen to my Christian tune and
he says
I'm going easy.
Listen, I can hear. Don't you
have a free the mind, you know? Free the meds.
lose sight of the fact that I care.
What's going on? You know it's there.